But when the Americans are asked about the Pakistanis, 20 Pakistanis getting killed, the Americans say we have no comment. So basically in the world, nobody cares if Pakistanis die. Have you noted this? The American spokesperson said, we don't know anything about this, we don't want to comment. One Canadian citizen dies, everybody is very conscious, though they don't have proof. Till now, so many months have passed, but Justin Trudeau has not offered 1% proof. 20 Pakistanis get killed. Madam, just hold on. Ma'am, just hold on. Allow me to. Ma'am, you should not interfere. When you were speaking, I kept quiet. So, ma'am, have a little bit of manners, ma'am. This is an Indian TV channel, not a Pakistani channel. Hold on. So, essentially what has happened is, no, don't do this.
You can go to London, you can go to Ottawa, you can go to Auckland and say, our own terrorists, हमारे अपने जितने terrorists हैं, उनको कोई मार रहा है. तो लोग तो आपको कहेंगे जो भी मार रहा है उनको आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहिए. मगर आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि हमारे अपने टेररिस्ट जिनको हमने पनाह दी, जिनको हमने इतनी सपोर्ट दी, इतनी ट्रेनिंग दी, इंडिया भेजा, वापस लाए, खिलाया पिलाए, उनको मारा जा रहा है. तो लोग आपको कहेंगे यू शुड बी थैंकिंग पीपल. योर बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम उस्मा जी टुडे इज टेररिज्म.
दोस्तों नमस्कार. दोस्तों आपको पता है ना कि पिछले कुछ दिनों से पाकिस्तान के अंदर टेररिस्ट मर रहे हैं. आए दिन किसी न किसी टेररिस्ट को अंदर घुस के मार दिया जाता है, शूट आउट कर दिया जाता है. पाकिस्तान परेशान है. लेकिन अब गार्जियन की जो रिपोर्ट आई थी उसके अंदर ये कहा गया था कि जी भारत की जो हवा है वो मरवा दो, जबकि अमेरिका ने इस चीज़ को मना कर दिया. अब पाकिस्तानी परेशान है, वो जानते हैं कि भारत मरवा रहा है, ये सारी दुनिया जानती है, लेकिन कुछ साबित नहीं कर पा रहे. अब इसी के ऊपर आज की डिबेट है. पाकिस्तानी एनालिस्ट जो हैं वो आई हुई हैं दोनों. अब वो अर्नब और आप जानते हैं मेजर गौरव आ गया, जब इनके हत्थे कोई चढ़ जाता है ना तो फिर वो कैसे चित्रोल करते हैं. आप वीडियो देखेंगे आपको मज़ा आ जाएगा दोस्तों. वीडियो पूरी देखिएगा. वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Gaurav, Usma Kardar of the PMLN is also there. You know, would you like to respond to this view of the Pakistanis that we are killing their terrorists on their soil?
No, Arnab, I don't think we are killing anybody. And whatever action we have taken, this ghar mein ghus ke marna, it relates to Balakot and the surgical strikes. That is point number one. Point number two, have you realized one thing very funny?
Correct.
Harjeet Singh Nijjar dies, and as very rightly brought out by the Pakistani panelist, you know, everybody gets very offended that India has done it, India has done it. Everybody. But when the Americans are asked about the Pakistanis, 20 Pakistanis getting killed, the Americans say we have no comment. So basically in the world, nobody cares if Pakistanis die. Have you noted this? The American spokesperson said, we don't know anything about this, we don't want to comment. One Canadian citizen dies, everybody is very conscious, though they don't have proof. Till now, so many months have passed, but Justin Trudeau has not offered 1% proof. He should have given the proof. He should have so-called quote-unquote exposed India in front of everybody. You see, they should have done it. And the Pakistanis should do it. But they're not doing it. But 20 Pakistanis get killed. Madam, just hold on. Ma'am, just hold on. Allow me to. Ma'am, you should not interfere. When you were speaking, I kept quiet. So, ma'am, have a little bit of manners, ma'am. This is an Indian TV channel, not a Pakistani channel. Hold on. So, essentially what has happened is, no, don't do this. It's coming to you right now. Hold on. So what has happened is, in Pakistan's case, when the American spokesperson was asked, you know, what are your comments? The Pakistanis are saying, according to this Guardian story, that the Indians have so-called killed 20 Pakistanis. And he said, I don't care. Nobody cares about dead Pakistanis. I mean, even Pakistanis don't care about dead Pakistanis. They are creating a hue and cry about 20 Pakistanis killed. More than 80,000 Pakistanis have been killed by Pakistanis in terror attacks and they don't care. So, Arnab, this is just a sham. You can ask both the ladies on the screen. It's just a sham. This is just Pakistan's excuse of asking money from India. In the end, they'll ask money. हम चुप हो जाएंगे, आप थोड़ा सा पैसे दे दीजिए. अभी शहबाज शरीफ गया था वहां पे भीख मांगने के लिए सऊदी अरेबिया. They're going to end up asking money, Arnab. That is their national expertise. ये एक ही काम में फिट है ये लोग पैसा मांगने के. ये मांगने वाले हैं पैसा. कहीं आपकी शो में ना मांग ले, मुझे डर लग रहा है. आप पूछ लीजिए अर्नब अगर चाहिए तो. Madam, आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा मैं. I'm talking to Arnab. Arnab is the anchor of the show. I'm talking to Arnab.
I want to bring in Usma Kardar. I want to bring in Usma ji. 1 minute. Let me bring in Usma ji. Usma ji, see, making allegations against India that we are killing your terrorists. I was speaking to the foreign minister about a week back, the Indian foreign minister, and he said, and he rightly said, who are these people who Pakistanis are complaining are being killed? इनका बायोडेटा क्या है? In what is their profile? Who are they? Are they businessmen? Are they diplomats? Are they bureaucrats? Or are they all terrorists? This is something, Uzma ji, you must also think about. See, everyone in the world is asking you. You are going around the world saying that you've killed our terrorists, you've killed our terrorists. Nobody is responding to you. First of all, therefore, my first point which I want you to respond is, there is no moral argument here. You can go to London, you can go to Ottawa, you can go to Auckland and say, our own terrorists, हमारे अपने जितने terrorists हैं, उनको कोई मार रहा है. तो लोग तो आपको कहेंगे जो भी मार रहा है उनको आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहिए. मगर आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि हमारे अपने टेररिस्ट जिनको हमने पनाह दी, जिनको हमने इतनी सपोर्ट दी, इतनी ट्रेनिंग दी, इंडिया भेजा, वापस लाए, खिलाया पिलाए, उनको मारा जा रहा है. तो लोग आपको कहेंगे यू शुड बी थैंकिंग पीपल. योर बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम उस्मा जी टुडे इज टेररिज्म. So whoever is killing your terrorists, I'm not saying there is one person, one individual, one country, one company. But you should be grateful to them. But you're not even grateful, you are complaining. That's point number one. Point number two, and you can respond to both, you are saying we are behind it. If you say that we are behind it, you have to come to us. You have to go through the diplomatic channels. You have to file a proper complaint, send it through the diplomatic channels, take it through the bureaucratic channels, let it go through the police channels and the investigative channels. It may take about 10-20 years, but we'll get back to you. जैसे आप करते थे ना 26/11 के बाद कि आप हमें रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए, हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दीजिए, हम बिलीव मी वी विल गेट बैक टू यू. मे बी नॉट in 2024, by 2034, 2044, 2054, we will respond to you. But you must have belief in the system. है ना? So
Okay.
first thing,
Now
first
am I
question,
allowed
why
to
don't you thank the
respond?
people
Have
who
you
are
finished
killing
with
your
what you had
terrorists?
to say?
And second, why don't you take it through the proper channels?
Okay.
Yeah, sort of
Now,
for the
I
moment,
think,
yes.
I
Yes,
think
for the moment.
that, the Indian side is now so frustrated that they just want to pile the blame of everything that goes wrong in their own country on other people. You people should actually worry about your image in the world. Internationally, everybody is now saying that India is exporting terrorism in different parts of the world, and you have Justin Trudeau in Canada, you have the US officials in the
You are
State
so
Department.
delusional.
They have Justice Trudeau on the floor of the Parliament has said that we will not allow anybody to hit any of our citizens on our own soil. And Harjit Singh and other Sikhs have been targeted. And you people have not cooperated in any kind of investigation, and you have not even, cooperated in the U.S. Plan to assassinate a U.S. citizen on their soil. The State Department wanted you to cooperate in the investigation, and they said that we have uncovered an assassination plot which you people made, which Raw made in the US. But you guys are totally, you have your head, under the sand, and you are totally denying the export of terrorism. In Pakistan, this has been going on for years now. It's been going on for decades. What about Kulbhushan? Who was Kulbhushan? Where was he found? And what was he up to? So, this is there have been about 20 targeted killings. And we have the same pattern we see now in Amir Tamba's death also.
Targeted killings of whom? No, Uzma ji, let me put the question to you that the Honorable Foreign Minister was asking me. He said, Arnab, next time you're with a Pakistani panelist, you ask them, who are these people? You have said 20 targeted killings. Uzma ji, can you tell me the biodata? Can you tell me the biodata of these 20 eminent citizens?
Recent ones.
Who are these 20 people?
Who was the leader of Jaish Muhammad in Daschka. He was, he was accused of the Pathankot incident. He was targeted, and then
you are supporting a Jaish Muhammad terrorist on my program. You are supporting a Jaish Muhammad terrorist on my program. Even if he's dead, you should not support him.
have the guts
Even if he is
and the
dead, you
patience
should
to
not
listen
support
to what we have to say also.
You
We
are-
have
you
been
are
listening
supporting
very
the Jaish-e
patiently to
Mohammed.
you and to Major Gaurav. Now you listen to what
Why are
we
you
have
doing
to
this?
say. In June 2021, there was a car bombing
I'm just
outside the
surprised that
residence
you're
of
supporting a
Hafiz
terrorist
Saeed,
group so
and there
openly,
were
man.
multiple casualties there. Multiple
Hafiz Saeed इनका
casualties
national
there,
hero है.
and
Hafiz
Rauf was
Saeed.
involved in
मौलाना
that as
मसूद
well.
अजहर इनका
So we
national hero
have
है.
evidence. We have evidence.
Osama bin
The
Laden
point
इनके
is
लिए
that
शहीद है.
you people keep denying. You people don't cooperate. We are very,
ये-
very sure there is an
ये घर में-
investigation going on. Our
मैडम,
interior
ये
minister
अपने-
today had a press
ये अपने घर में
conference
बच्चों
in
को
which he
बोलते
said
हैं कि बड़ा
that this
होके
time
तुम्हें ओसामा
again the
जैसा
pattern
बनना
is
है.
the same.
Gaurav,
And we,
That is the problem with them.
we feel
That is the problem
there
with
is
them. This is
suspicion
problem
on
with
India,
Pakistanis.
on
The
Rauf,
terrorists are the
that
heroes.
they are involved in his killing
The
as
terrorists are
well.
the heroes. That is
Someone
why
interfered.
Imran Khan on the floor of the parliament called Osama bin Laden a shaheed.
Please have
You
some
should ask them.
manners. Let her speak.
So
इनके
now
इनके
let us
heroes
you
हैं ये
people have to
terrorists.
answer to the whole world.
इनके
It's not just
इनके heroes
Pakistan
हैं.
that you have to
Arnab,
answer to. You have
ये
to
इनसे-
answer to
Madam,
all these
tell me
other
something.
countries where you are
Osama ji,
carrying
tell me
on
something.
these
Why
terrorist
were you in
activities.
FATF?
You're killing
Why
people
were
left,
you in
right, and
FATF?
center.
Why was your
Especially
country in
the
FATF 4
Khalistan
times?
movement.
Please answer my
You are
question.
killing Sikhs all over the place.
Please answer
Wherever
my
they have a
question.
referendum,
Why were you on
wherever
FATF?
they
Grey list.
come out in
4
throngs,
times FATF
in millions
grey
and
list.
say that we
Because
want
you're
our
supporting
own
terrorists.
Khalistan. We
You-
don't want
you are
to take
terrorists
India.
yourself.
You kill them.
Uzma ji.
You kill all their
Madam,
leaders.
Uzma ji.
Madam Uzma ji, you are just an English speaking terrorist. You see, you are in FATF for 4 times. Why are you being put in FATF 4 times? Because you support
That's the
terrorism.
problem.
देखा दोस्तों इनको इनकी वही आदत है कनाडा का खालिस्तान ले आएंगे या किसी और किसी क्योंकि इनके पास कोई जवाब नहीं है और जब इनकी छितरोल होती है और अर्नब ने बिल्कुल सही बात कही है ये कहाँ के वो हैं कोई ब्यूरोक्रेट थोड़ी हैं अगर ये मरे हुए हैं अगर हमने मारे हैं तो लाओ प्रूफ दो या तुम जाके बोलोगे ये हमारे आदमी मार रहे हो बोलने की इनकी हिम्मत नहीं है क्योंकि ये बोलेंगे FTF में चले जाएंगे ये है दोस्तों इनकी सबसे बड़ी मजबूरी ये चाहकर भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं आज भारत ने इनकी उस नब्ज पे हाथ रख दिया है कि ये रोते रहेंगे बिलखते रहेंगे लेकिन कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे दोस्तों वीडियो कैसी लगी प्लीज़ कमेंट्स कीजिएगा वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा थैंक यू वेरी मच